Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Navratri special recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare wheat flour halwa without sugar using jaggery. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be half cup of wheat flour, half cup of homemade ghee, half cup of jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, few cashew nut, few raisins, and finally few almonds. Firstly, to prepare this recipe, we'll be taking a thick bottom kadai and into that we'll be adding the homemade ghee. Once the ghee is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this transfer the chopped almonds and cashew nuts. Now saute and ghee roast this until your dry fruits turn crisp and golden brown. Once the cashew nut and almonds are almost ghee roasted, into this add the raisin. Now ghee roast the raisins as well along with the cashew nut and almond for less than a minute. Once the dry fruits have turned golden brown, remove this from the kadai and transfer this into a bowl. Next, into the same kadai, add the wheat flour and keep stirring this continuously until it is lump free. Make sure to keep stirring and cook the atta in low flame until it turns into a little darker shade. This might take a little while, but if you are doing the same process in high flame, your atta or wheat flour can get burnt easily. Once your atta is getting ghee roasted, in the meanwhile take another saucepan and into that add 1/4 cup of water and half cup of grated jaggery. Cook this in low to medium flame and keep stirring this continuously until your jaggery dissolves completely. For this recipe, we do not need one sting consistency, we just need the jaggery to dissolve completely. Once your jaggery dissolves completely and your syrup is ready, set this aside, and in the meantime we can see that the atta or wheat flour is turned into a little darker shade. Next, into this add the hot jaggery syrup and keep stirring this continuously until it is lump free. Keep stirring and cook this in low to medium flame until the halwa starts separating from the kadai. Once the ghee starts coming out from the sides and the halwa starts separating from the kadai, your halwa is almost ready. Now into this add the elaichi or cardamom powder and give everything a good mix. Now your delicious atte ka halwa or wheat flour halwa using jaggery is ready. So do try this recipe during this Navratri season and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.